Ang sarap kumanta pag ganyan. Kalamig ang boss.
Brushes her long hair, and then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight.
Oh, Dan, ikaw naman.
To a party, everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. And I feel wonderful 'cause I see the love light in your eyes. And the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you.
Kasal mo naman.
So I gave her the car key,
Yan.
and she helps me to bed.
Sayang yung boses eh.
And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight.
Bagay mo kay Jojo. Ano, na-miss ka ba ni Jojo?
Oo.
Talaga?
Ewan ko.
Alright.
Yan.